Let's get started on this roast turkey breast. Okay, we are going to go for 2 tablespoons of olive oil to start the base for the paste that we're going to put on the turkey. And I use a cold press, always. And we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of paprika. No, teaspoons, I'm sorry. Teaspoons. And 2 teaspoons of oregano. Dried oregano. And if you have rosemary, you can go with rosemary, or poultry seasoning even. And that would be 2 teaspoons. And I would say 1 to 2 teaspoons of salt. And 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to come back in and add some more of that. And next we're going to go 1 teaspoon of thyme. And with garlic powder, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And also onion powder. I gotta get a knife for this. I'm gonna have to get a knife and we'll be back. So a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to blend this into a paste. And then we're going to take our turkey out of the packaging, which we have already had on the counter. That should be on the counter at room temperature. And my turkey is 3 pounds. So we're going to cook it 20 minutes per pound. Okay, so we're just going to put it all over the turkey. I mean, you can wear gloves if you want to. It's probably a good idea. I wash my hands all the time, thoroughly. I'm an avid hand washer. We're going to get it all over there in every crevice, so that will bring out the flavor. Get it tasting real good. If you have skin on yours, like, make sure you get it underneath the skin really good. before you go over the top of it. And the juices will be good for your vegetables. All right. And we're going to put 8 ounces or 1 cup of chicken broth in there. And it's ready to go. Put it in at 375 for an hour. It's 20 minutes per pound, so however much yours weighs. And we're off. I'm going to put it in. Okay, we are checking the temperature. And we know that it's done because it's between 160 and 165. So I'm going to put a tent on it, aluminum foil tent, until it is time to be served. If you'd like to show some support to the channel, hit that thumbs up button and show some love.